Hi, algebra students. Today we're going to take a look at some formula applications. So let's complete the odds together. Rewrite the formula for interest, I equals PRT for P in terms of I and R and T. Joy earned $84 interest on an account with a rate of 0.3% in 2 years. Use the new formula to determine her principal balance. Okay, so we're rewriting for P, so we have I equals PRT. We want to get P by itself, and this is all being multiplied, so we're going to divide by RT. So P equals I over RT. And now we're going to use that formula. Again, we know that she earned $84 in interest and her rate was 0.3%, so that's 0.003, and in 2 years, so times 2. So we can do 84 divided by, and I'm going to put it in parentheses, 0.003 times 2, and we get $14,000. So her beginning amount, the amount she put into savings, was $14,000. Okay, let's try another. Rewrite the formula for area of a triangle A equals 1/2 base times height for H in terms of A and B. The area of a triangle is 54 centimeters squared and its base is 8 centimeters. Find the height of the triangle using the new formula. So again, we have area equals 1/2 base times height, and we want to solve for H in terms of B and A. So I'm going to start by multiplying both sides by 2. So 2A equals BH. And then we're going to divide by B to get the H by itself. So H equals 2A over B. And again, they told us the area is 54, so that's 2 times 54 all over the base, which is 8. So that's H equals 108 divided by 8. So H is, well, 8 goes into 10 once with 2 left over. 8 goes into 28 3 times with 4 left over, and 8 goes into 40 5 times. So it should be 13.5. Sorry, my pen decided not to work. So 13.5 centimeters. And I'm going to check my work over here just to make sure. 108 divided by 8 is 13.5. And I got it. Nice job. All right. So hopefully you see how you did that. This is often found on the Regents where you have to rewrite the formula first and then use it as a part B of a problem. All right. Let's take a look at another one. Number 5, rewrite the formula for volume of a cone, V equals 1/3 pi r squared h for r in terms of V, pi, and h. The volume of a cone is 1,178 cubic centimeters with a height of 20 centimeters. Use the new formula to determine the radius of the cone to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. So volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. Solving for r squared, I'm going to start, or to isolate the r squared, I'm going to multiply by 3 first. So 3v equals pi r squared h. And I'm going to divide by pi and h. So 3v equals pi h over pi h equals r squared. Then I'll take the square root. So r equals the square root of 3v over pi h. So now I can plug in what's given. We know that it's 3 times the volume, which is 1,178 over pi times the height, which is given as 20. So there's a lot of work that has to be done here. We can put it all in our calculator. We can go right to second square root, then in parentheses, 3 times 1178 divided by, parentheses again, 20 times pi, which the pi symbol is on here somewhere. We got to find it. Oh, it's right there. Second, and then it's this up arrow right there. Close the parentheses, get out of the square root, and press equals. So it says to round to the nearest tenth, so it's about 7.5 centimeters. All right, let's continue. Oh, that's it. So you're now going to complete the evens on your own. Again, make sure you're checking in with me before you move on to today's exit ticket and your homework.